Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best pet fountain pump is probably one of the most important components of your pet's fountain, ensuring that your furry friend always has access to fresh, clean water. A malfunctioning pump can lead to stagnant water, which can harbor bacteria and make your pet sick, so choosing the right replacement is crucial for maintaining your pet's health and happiness. This video will guide you through the process of selecting the perfect replacement pump for your pet fountain, considering factors such as flow rate, noise level, energy efficiency, and ease of installation. Number 5. PetSafe Replacement Pump. This is the PetSafe replacement pump, keeping your pet's water fountain running smoothly. It's compatible with many PetSafe fountain models, ensuring your furry friend always has fresh water. It fits a wide variety of PetSafe fountains, including butterfly, pagoda, and many more. Check your fountain's model to ensure compatibility. Never worry about your pet's water fountain running dry again. This pump ensures continuous hydration for your beloved pet. Cleaning this pump is simple and quick. Regular cleaning, about every 2 weeks, will extend its lifespan and keep your pet's water fresh. PetSafe is a trusted brand, dedicated to providing innovative solutions for pet health and happiness since 1998. This pump reflects that commitment to quality. You'll receive one pump and one US adapter with a convenient 5.5-foot cord. The pump faceplate color may vary. What we like? It's compatible with many PetSafe fountains. If you own a PetSafe fountain and value a quiet, easy-to-clean pump, this is a great choice. This ensures your pet always has fresh water without disruptive noise. What people say. Writing this review years after purchasing it. It works just like the original. Quality seems good as no problem to report after years of use. The original pump for my cat's water fountain died. This is an excellent replacement for it. Same outlet hole location and internal parts are the same as well. Easy to clean with the right wire brushes. Recommend tweezers to remove the magnetic paddle and is noisy only when the water level is too low. Buzzing, low recurring hum, goes away when water is topped off. So I got a 150-ounce Whisker City stainless steel drinking fountain for my cats from PetSmart about a month and a half ago. The pump that came with it gave out after about 40 days, which sucked because PetSmart wouldn't accept a return or exchange for electronics after 30 days. So I tried this pump as a replacement and I'm so happy that it works just fine with it. Number 4. Veken Pet Fountain Pump. It's designed for quiet operation and a long lifespan, keeping your pet hydrated without the noise. This pump is a breeze to install. Simply plug it in and you're ready to go. It comes with everything you need, the pump and a power adapter for a seamless replacement. Always use the original adapter for safety. It's UL certified and works with voltages from 100-240 V. Clean it every 2 weeks to keep it running smoothly for up to 2 years. A simple cleaning can make a big difference. Most pumps can be reused after a simple cleaning. Let's help protect the environment together. This replacement pump and adapter are only compatible with the 84 ounces 2.5 L Veken Pet Fountain. What we like? It boasts an ultra-quiet motor and a long lifespan. If you're looking for a durable, quiet pump specifically for your Veken fountain, this is the one. It's designed for longevity, saving you money and reducing waste in the long run. What people say. The pump that came with the fountain worked for nearly 2 years. I cleaned it monthly by taking it apart as instructed and rinsing it out. Instructions for this are good and easy to follow. I have used several of this brand fountain and pump. The pump failed yesterday and changed it out, noting the last time I purchased a pump was 22 months ago. I bought this as a replacement for our pet fountain July 2023. The original pump only lasted about 6 months. After a little bit of a too rigorous cleaning yesterday, this pump finally stopped working. So why 5 stars? Because this pump made it 16 months of us regularly doing everything the instructions tell you not to. Number 3. Cat Water Fountain Pump. This pump is designed to keep your pet's water fountain fresh and clean. It's easy to install and maintain, ensuring a long lifespan. Please check the label and dimensions before purchasing to ensure compatibility. It's not suitable for all brands, and requires a specific 5V, 1.5W adapter. The package includes the pump itself, with a convenient 5.9-foot power cable and suction cups. The adapter is sold separately. Enjoy peaceful nights with this ultra-quiet pump. Its low power consumption of 1.5 W saves energy and money. Installation is a breeze thanks to the strong suction cups. Remember to clean it every 2 weeks to keep it running smoothly. It's built to last with its low-voltage DC5V design and IP68 waterproof rating. Just use a 5V1 a USB adapter for power. If you have any issues, our customer service team is here to help. We offer free replacements for any problems. What we like? This pump is incredibly quiet and energy efficient. If you prioritize a whisper-quiet operation and simple maintenance, this is perfect. Its low power consumption also helps save energy. What people say. Pump works really well, but only if you clean it regularly. New pump is silent and works great. No need to replace entire cat fountain. Perfectly fit the standard pet store-bought cat fountain that has the square base for the pump to sit in, lined up with the funnel, and even has slightly more pressure than the one that came installed that we're replacing after 4 years. Assuming this one lasts just as long, it's a quality product. The addition of the light to be able to better see the water level was just a bonus. Our last one didn't have that. Number 2. DR DC160 Cat Fountain Pump. This quiet pump is perfect for keeping your pet's water fountain fresh and clean. It's designed for easy maintenance and a long lifespan. It's compatible with various cat fountains, but please double-check the compatibility list before purchasing. Make sure it's the right fit for your fountain. Enjoy peace and quiet. This pump operates at less than 40 decibels, ensuring a tranquil environment for you and your pet. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply disassemble it, clean the parts with soap and water, and reassemble. Regular cleaning is key for your pet's health. Remember, it doesn't include LED lights and is not suitable for all fountain brands. Always check the compatibility details. If you experience any issues, please contact us. We offer free replacements for any pump malfunctions. We're here to help. What we like? It's designed for silent operation and easy cleaning. If you need a simple, quiet replacement pump without LED lights, and you're okay with checking compatibility, consider this option. Its straightforward design makes maintenance a breeze. What people say. It came quickly, was easy to install and quiet. It is scary quiet, which is a great thing of course. The pump doesn't move a ton of water even on high adjustment, but it moves enough to do what it's supposed to. Perfect fit to replace the existing motor pump. It does not come with a light as the water fountain originally has. But it does not affect the performance. Number 1. PetSafe Drinkwell Replacement Pump. This isn't just any pump, it's designed to make your pet's water fountain quieter and more efficient. The new silicone grommet ensures smooth, improved water flow. It's compatible with several Drinkwell fountains, including the 1/2, 1, and 2 gallon models, and the butterfly fountain. No more searching for the right fit. The improved design provides better water flow for your furry friend. Say goodbye to weak streams and hello to happy hydration. The new silicone grommet significantly reduces noise, creating a more peaceful environment for you and your pet. Enjoy the quiet purrs. We're here to help. Our pet product experts provide support via phone, email, or chat, ensuring you and your pet get the assistance you need. For almost 30 years, PetSafe has been a leader in pet products, helping pets and their owners live happier together. You can trust our experience and commitment to quality. What we like? This pump features a new design for quieter operation and improved water flow. If you have a Drinkwell fountain and want a noticeable upgrade in performance and sound, this is it. The improved design ensures better hydration for your pet. What people say. The pump in one of our 2 PetSafe fountains decided to quit working after cleaning the fountain of all the accumulated cat fur and dust bunnies. So I ordered this replacement. While assembling the new one, I realized I had never actually disassembled the pump fully for cleaning. Meaning the impeller had never been removed and cleaned. After doing that, the original pump started working again, so now I have this one as a handy spare. I replaced the motor in my PetSafe water fountain with this one, and it's incredibly easy to install and use. Regular cleaning is simple, provided you do it frequently. The water flows continuously, but remember to clean the motor and filters every 4 weeks. The noise level is nearly silent, you only hear the sound of flowing water, which speaks to the excellent build quality and design of this product. This replacement pump is inexpensive enough that I do not mind that the last one only lasted 1 year. I've had others that last a couple years. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.